In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block Facebook on Safari. To start, open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. You will find this app icon on your home screen, typically represented by a gear symbol. Once you tap on it, you'll enter the Settings menu, which contains a variety of options for personalizing your device. It's crucial to navigate this menu carefully, as the settings you adjust here can significantly enhance your browsing experience. Once you are in the Settings app, keep an eye out for the next step, as this will set the foundation for blocking Facebook. Next, tap on Screen Time. This option allows you to manage how you interact with your device and set limits on your usage. After tapping it, you'll be taken to a new screen displaying a range of features related to app usage and restrictions. This feature is particularly useful for parents wanting to manage their children's screen time or for anyone looking to reduce distractions. By accessing screen time, you're on the right track to controlling your access to certain websites, including Facebook. Now tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions and turn it on. You may need to enter your screen time passcode if you have one set up. This section provides robust options to control what content is accessible on your device, enhancing your focus and productivity. Turning on these restrictions is a pivotal step. It safeguards your settings and ensures that only you can manage what gets blocked or allowed. Doing this will help you maintain a distraction-free environment while using Safari. From there, tap on App Store, Media, Web, and Games, and then select Web Content. This will guide you to specific settings for managing what web content is accessible through Safari. It's important to note that this section is where you can impose restrictions on websites you find distracting or inappropriate. By customizing these settings, you're taking proactive steps to curate your online experience, allowing for a more focused browsing session. Next, select Limit Adult Websites. This option is essential because it provides a framework for blocking certain websites that may not align with your preferences. By selecting this, you are not only limiting adult content, but also preparing to block specific sites like Facebook. This step is crucial in ensuring that your browsing activity aligns with your intentions, reducing the likelihood of distractions during your day. After that, under Never Allow, tap Add Website. This is where you will specify the websites you want to block from Safari. Adding websites to this list prevents your device from accessing them, reinforcing your online boundaries. Making this addition is a straightforward process, but it holds significant power in customizing your browsing experience. You will notice that as you complete each step, you are gaining more control over your device. Now enter Facebook.com. This is the primary domain for Facebook, and adding it ensures that you will not be able to access it through Safari. It's vital to enter this correctly to ensure the block is enforced. Following this, tap on the space below to enter an additional domain. This step ensures comprehensive blocking, as Facebook has multiple variations of its address. Next, enter www.facebook.com. This is another variation of the Facebook address that many users might utilize. By blocking both versions, you are effectively closing off access to the platform on Safari, reducing potential distractions. This attention to detail is what makes your settings more robust and effective, allowing you to focus better on the tasks at hand. Finally, tap Done. This action will save your changes and enforce the block on Facebook in Safari. Once you've completed this step, you can feel confident that your browsing experience is now tailored to your preferences. You will see a confirmation appear, indicating that Facebook is officially blocked. Tip: set a screen time passcode so others can't remove the website block without your permission. This additional layer of security ensures that your efforts to limit distractions remain intact. You now have the tools to manage your online experience effectively.